Account aggregation is a financial technology service that allows individuals or businesses to consolidate and view their financial information from multiple accounts in one place. Here's some detailed information about account aggregators. Functionality. Account aggregators gather data from various financial institutions, including banks, credit card companies, investment platforms, and more. They use APIs or other secure methods to access and retrieve account data, including balances, transactions, and other relevant information. Data security. Account aggregators prioritize data security and privacy. They typically employ encryption and other security measures to protect sensitive financial information during transmission and storage. Reputable aggregators adhere to industry standards and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, or applicable local laws. Consent and authorization. Before aggregating financial data, account aggregators obtain user consent and authorization. Users provide their login credentials for each account they wish to aggregate, and the aggregator uses this information to fetch data on their behalf. Aggregators do not store these credentials and use secure methods for authentication. Data aggregation process. Once authorized, the aggregator connects to the financial institution's APIs or uses other methods to retrieve account data. They consolidate this data into a unified format, providing users with a comprehensive view of their financial accounts. Aggregators may categorize transactions, provide spending insights, and offer other value-added services. Benefits for users. Account aggregation offers several advantages, including convenience. Users can access and manage multiple accounts from a single platform or application, eliminating the need to visit each financial institution's website or app separately. Financial overview. Aggregators provide a holistic view of finances, allowing users to track balances, transactions, and analyze spending patterns across different accounts. Budgeting and analysis. Aggregators often offer budgeting tools, expense categorization, and financial analysis features to help users understand and improve their financial well-being. Financial planning. Aggregated data can be used for financial planning purposes, such as creating budgets, setting financial goals, or evaluating investment portfolios. Regulatory landscape. In some countries, there are specific regulations governing account aggregation services to ensure consumer protection, data privacy, and security. For example, in India, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has established guidelines for entities known as account aggregators, AAs, to operate in the financial ecosystem. Overall, account aggregators provide users with a convenient and comprehensive way to manage their financial accounts, gain insights into their finances, and make informed decisions.